Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors, and inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 7,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.